Ladies and gentlemen, today's discussion focuses on the crucial role of partnership in bridging academia and industry. We have, I guess, two sessions. The morning session, we will explore the sustainable industry in the university collaboration, including industry-linked curricula and experiential learning. And then in the afternoon, we will discuss the impact of global ethics on community issue and funding for sustainable STEM partnership, providing practical, strategic, and innovative course design. It is very important for us to have industry-linked curricula because we don't want to have a student or alumni that really have to find a job, and hopefully with the curriculum linked with industry need, then we will have a better alumni to join the working industry. And also allow me to share from my taste in this regard. We recognize the importance of soft skill development of our students, which cannot be separated from our education. And additionally, on-skill, industrial experience, and global competency are also among the abilities that students need to obtain. As I mentioned earlier, it is very important for us to have a student that has an experience of the industry as well. And for this reason, the SF program to support this target, such as adoption of student extracurricular credit system as well as community service project, global competence reversal, industrial internship, and student exchange. Ultimately, I hope that the forum today will bring a lot of information, insight, and ideas for all of us to learn and work together. Let us keep working together to create powerful and impactful higher education partnership that will benefit our institution. Again, thank you very much for your participation and contribution, especially the US Consulate and ASU, as Arizona State University, for all the collaboration that we have, and for sure the BNUS as the call it the hub of this happy.
Assalamualaikum, Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebijakan, Selamat Pagi, Good morning.
Good morning.
As the Acting Public Affairs Officer for the U.S. Consul General in Surabaya, it is an honor to be here with you all today. I would like to give acknowledgement to Rector Bambang Pramujati, Rector of Institut Teknologi Sepuluh November, Dr. Maria Anitasari, Head of Global Engagement, and Dr. Abdul Rahman, Country Director of USAID-HEPI, ASU. Distinguished speakers and presenters, rectors and vice rectors, directors, faculty members from USAID-HEPI, our HEPI partners writ large, industry representatives who are present today, students, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the third USAID Happy STEM Community on Practice Forum. Thank you to ITS University for hosting this event. This year, the United States and Indonesia celebrate the 75th anniversary of our bilateral relationship, a diamond anniversary, as many would say in the United States. Indonesia and the United States reaffirm our partnership with the values of diversity, democracy, and prosperity. Together, we promote a world where diversity is celebrated, democracy is upheld, and prosperity is shared for all. Many of the developing challenges we share, such as addressing climate change, alleviating healthcare disparities, and keeping peace with technological change, requires.
First, I will present about what happened to the industry right now, and then how local automation meet the industry requirement or trend or evolution, and how can we support the higher education to be aligned with the industry. So this is what I would like to present is about the state of smart manufacturing report. this is just a few months ago. There's a survey conducted for about 1,500
on our needs in the job site. So every batch, I think we receive 50 to 70 new interns in Freeport. And the third about the Freeport graduate program, we have this is one of our currently ongoing programs. And ITS one of our favorite, also Pak Rektor, to get the best alumni to work in Freeport as a fresh graduate programs. And I would like this morning to deliver one of I think we are now doing related with the indigenous development, business opportunity, and also entrepreneur finance, the banking. And we need more banking that have with the local can understand the local context, the local culture when they give the financial law, that kind of thing. So all these kind of things that we train in these formats related with the partnership with the Dream Builder AAC programs. But outside of that, in terms of the, like I said, the technology, we also found related with the technology about the mining. There is sometimes a gap when get into the mining sectors with the full of the technology and with underground, because in Indonesia I think only Freeport have the underground mining, aside the one which is much smaller. Adopt all the systems like mentioned by Bapak from all the automation systems. You cannot find that in the university. So from that we give internship. This is to provide opportunity